Hey guys, it's me, DestinyLashae. Isn't that wig so cute? This is like a really cute summertime curly bob that's really low maintenance. So I was sent this wig from Wigencounters. I'm working with them today, so thank you guys for working with me. But what I like to do first when I get my wigs, I like to cut the back lace off, because with this wig you can wear it like in a ponytail if you want to, but I feel like it's too short, so I'm just gonna cut that off. The wig has a lot of space in the front, like lace in the front, so you can part it pretty deep, which I like. The wig curl pattern, when I first got it out of the box, it didn't really pop as much as it will when I put like mousse and water on it. This wig, the perimeter of it was pretty thick, which I don't really mind because I'm not gonna be slicking my hair back or anything, so I don't have to pluck that much. But if you do want to wear your hair like slick back and you want the whole baby hair look or whatever, you would have to pluck some of the hair. The knots are already bleached, but I'm gonna put some of my foundation on the lace so that it matches my skin color a little bit better, and then I'm gonna take some small scissors and cut around the perimeter of the hair. Now, a lot of people are scared to cut their lace when they get their wigs because they're afraid they're gonna mess up. I just say cut as close to the hairline as possible without cutting the hair. Don't be afraid. It's really honestly hard to mess up cutting lace because you can always cut off some more, and your line does not have to be perfect at all. So I just want to pluck some hairs from the hairline just so that the front and the parting looks a little bit more realistic. I'm going to use the black Got To Be Glued gel, and I'm just going to put that around the perimeter of my head. I didn't use any alcohol or anything like that because I'm not keeping this wig on. I don't want it to stick for days. So I'm just putting that on, applying it, and then putting on a headband just so that the lace will adhere to my head and we'll be all good. I left that on for like 10 minutes and then I took off the scarf, and I like when some of the hairs stick to the glue because it makes it look like a realistic hairline, sorta. I kind of just lift some of the hair up with a blow dryer, and I'm blow drying it because the glue or the gel wasn't completely dry, so I just wanted to make sure everything was in its place. And then I'm just doing like 2 baby hairs in the front. I'm not going crazy or anything like that. I'm taking a razor and just cutting some of the baby hairs in the front where the parting is, because I don't need to do all the edges and all that. It was unnecessary. So I'm just gonna gel that down with some Got To Be glue and just kind of do the swoop thing, you know. And then for the parting, I'm gonna pluck some of the hairs in the part as well so that the part is a little bit more open. When your part is super closed, this part was okay, but some wigs the parting looks too closed up, so you need to open it up with some tweezers. Now I'm just combing the hair out just to make sure that there's no extra hair just like laying around in there, and I just want to make sure that there's no tangles or knots or anything. The hair was really easy to comb. Then I went in with some water, just plain water in a water bottle, and I sprayed the hair down so I can see how the curl pattern looks, and it's so pretty. And I just brushed it a little bit. I feel like this unit is perfect for summer if you like wearing wigs in the summertime, because it's really short, it's really low maintenance, and you can wear your hair wet with like gel on it. So I love the curl pattern, and I'm just really soaking it with water so that I can see how it looks. Then I'm going in with some olive oil mousse, and I'm just putting that on the hair. I just like putting mousse on curly wigs or curly hair because it just makes the curls pop a lot more. And after that, I did both sides, and I'm adding some more mousse towards the center part a little bit so that the hair lays flat when it does dry. And this is how the hair looks. I haven't cut anything yet. This is how it looks with the parting and the little baby hairs or whatnot. And I'm just gonna cut the hair in like a blunt bob cut. I didn't do anything crazy. I just really went in and cut the hair in a straight line. And yeah, it was really easy. I didn't cut that much off, but I cut a good amount off. I'll probably end up like throughout the summer cutting this wig again to make it a little bit shorter. Not like a pixie cut, but something a little bit shorter than this. But I just love this hair because it just is so low maintenance and it looks good. You can throw it on and go about your day. And for cutting wigs, I usually use regular scissors because they're bigger, and it really doesn't matter if the ends are clipped properly or not because it's a wig, you know what I mean? So I'm just making sure that the hair is even, and I went about my day. Like, that was it, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Super simple, easy, quick curly bob style. If you want information on this wig, I will leave it in the description box down below. and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.